Most people over 50 think poor circulation is just urging, but it's often something you can improve naturally. This simple green tea trick could help support blood flow, energy, and overall vitality. Without pills, thousands are already using this daily habit to feel more active, focused, and in control again. If you care about your heart stamina and long-term health, this is something you shouldn't ignore. Watch now and discover the one ingredient that could unlock the real power of your green tea. You drink green tea, but what if I told you that one simple addition could turn it into a powerful, natural blood flow booster even if you're past 70? And no, this isn't some exotic herb from the mountains or a supplement companies want you to spend money on. It's something simple, affordable, already in your kitchen. But here's the truth most people never hear. Green tea on its own is good. Yes, it contains powerful antioxidants. It supports your heart. It gently improves circulation. But most people are using it at only 30–40% of its real potential because they're missing one key thing. And when you combine green tea with this one ingredient, something very interesting starts to happen inside your body. Your blood vessels begin to relax. Circulation improves. Oxygen delivery increases. And suddenly, areas of your body that felt weak, slow, or urging start to feel alive again. This is especially important if you're over 40 of a FIDU or even 70. Because as you age, your blood vessels naturally become stiffer, your circulation slows down, your energy drops. And for many people, it affects confidence, stamina, and even intimacy. But nature always leaves clues. And this combination is one of them. So what is it? Black pepper. Yes, something so simple, most people completely ignore it. But when you mix a small pinch of black pepper with green tea, it activates a compound inside the tea called catechins. These catechins are powerful, but your body struggles to absorb them fully on its own. Black pepper contains something called piperin, and piperin acts like a key, unlocking the full absorption of green tea's active compounds. Without it, much of the benefit passes right through you. With it, your body actually uses it. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This combination doesn't just support blood flow. It enhances nitric oxide activity in your body. Nitric oxide is what tells your blood vessels to expand. More expansion means better circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, more vitality. This is why people often report feeling warmer, more energized, even more mentally sharp after consistent use. And for men especially, improved blood flow can have a very noticeable effect where it matters most. But let's be clear, this is not a magic drink. It's not instant. It works quietly, gradually, day after day. And that's exactly why it's powerful. Because it works with your body, not against it. Now let's talk about how to prepare it properly, because this is where most people get it wrong. First, don't use boiling water on your green tea. Too hot and you destroy many of the beneficial compounds. Let the water cool for about 2–3 minutes after boiling, then pour it over your green tea. Let it steep for about 2–3 minutes, not too long or it becomes bitter. Then add just a tiny pinch of black pepper, not half a spoon, not a full spoon, just a small pinch. You shouldn't even strongly taste it, but your body will feel it. Now here's an optional step that can make it even more powerful. Add a few drops of lemon juice. This helps stabilize the catechins and improves absorption even further. So now you have a simple drink made from 3 ingredients. Green tea, black pepper, and lemon, that's it. No expensive powders, no pills, no complicated routines, just consistency. Drink this once a day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Give your body time, because real change doesn't happen overnight. But over weeks, something shifts. Your circulation improves. Your energy becomes more stable. You feel lighter, clearer, more in control of your body. And here's something most people don't realize. Poor blood flow doesn't just affect your heart. It affects your brain, your muscles, your skin, even your mood. So when you improve circulation, you're not fixing one thing, you're upgrading your entire system. Now a quick warning. If you're sensitive to caffeine, don't drink this late in the evening. And if you're on medication, especially for blood pressure, always check with a professional before adding anything new, because even natural things can be powerful. And that's the point. Nature doesn't need to be loud to be effective. It just needs to be used correctly. Most people are looking for something complicated, but the truth is the simplest things often work the best. The difference is very few people stay consistent long enough to see the results. So the real question is, will you try it once and forget, or will you give your body what it needs every day and let time do its work? Because your body is always listening, always adapting, always responding to what you give it, and sometimes one small daily habit can change everything. You've probably heard this before. Take care of your heart, stay active, drink something healthy. But no one really explains what's actually happening inside your body, especially when it comes to blood flow. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't notice poor circulation until it starts affecting their daily life. It shows up quietly: cold hands, tired legs, brain fog, low stamina, and for many a slow, frustrating decline in performance and confidence. Not overnight, but little by little, year after year. And by the time you realize something is off, it already feels like your body isn't responding the way it used to. That's where this simple combination becomes powerful. Because it doesn't try to shock your system, it restores what your body is slowly losing. Let me explain something most people never hear. Your blood vessels are like flexible tubes when you're young. Blood flows easily, everything works smoothly. But as you age, those vessels become tighter, less flexible, more resistant. And this is one of the biggest hidden reasons behind fatigue, weakness, and reduced vitality. Not a lack of effort, not a lack of willpower, but a lack of proper circulation. Now imagine this. What if you could gently support your body's natural ability to open those pathways again? Not with chemicals, not with extreme methods, but with something your body already understands. That's exactly what happens when green tea meets black pepper. Green tea brings in powerful plant compounds, but black pepper makes sure your body actually uses them. Without that absorption, you're just drinking flavored water with limited impact. With it, you're activating a process. And when that process starts working consistently, your body begins to respond. You may not notice it on day 1 or even day 3, but around the 2nd or 3rd week, many people begin to feel subtle changes. They wake up with slightly more energy. Their body feels less heavy. Their focus improves, and something interesting starts happening. They feel more connected to their body again. That's not a coincidence. That's circulation improving. Because when blood flow improves, communication inside your body improves. Signals travel faster. Nutrients arrive where they're needed. Waste gets removed more efficiently. Everything becomes smoother, more responsive, more alive, and here's something even deeper. Better blood flow doesn't just affect the physical body. It affects how you feel mentally, because your brain depends heavily on oxygen and nutrient delivery. When circulation is poor, your brain feels it. That's when you experience foggy thinking, slow reactions, low motivation. But when circulation improves, clarity returns. You think faster, you feel sharper, you make decisions more confidently. Now think about this. How many people are trying to fix their energy with sugar, with caffeine overload, with quick fixes that only mask the problem? But the real issue is often deeper. It's about flow. And when you fix the flow, everything else starts aligning. Now let's go even further, because there's a reason this combination becomes even more important after 50, 60, 70. At that stage, your body isn't broken, it's just slower to respond, which means it needs more support, not more force. And that's exactly what this habit provides. Gentle, consistent support. Not spikes, not crashes, just steady improvement, day by day. And here's the part most people underestimate. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to drink 5 cups a day. You don't need complicated routines. 1 cup every day, done properly. That's enough to start creating change. Now let me tell you something most people ignore. Timing matters. Your body is more receptive in the morning. That's when your system is waking up. Your circulation is starting to activate. So giving it this combination early in the day amplifies the effect. It sets the tone for everything that follows. And if you pair this with something simple like a short walk, even 10 minutes, you multiply the benefits, because movement plus improved circulation at powerful results. Now here's a mistake you must avoid. Do not overload the drink. More black pepper does not mean more benefit. In fact, too much can irritate your system. Remember, this works because of balance. A small pinch is enough. Your body doesn't need excess. It needs precision. Now let's address something important. A lot of people try something once or twice, maybe for a week. Then they stop and they say, didn't work. But the truth is they didn't give it time to work. Your body didn't slow down in 1 week, so it won't fully recover in 1 week either. This is about rebuilding, supporting, reactivating natural processes. And that takes patience. But here's the reward. When you stay consistent, you don't just feel better, you feel in control again. Your energy becomes reliable. Your body responds when you need it. You stop second-guessing yourself, and that confidence, that quiet internal confidence, is something no quick fix can give you. Now imagine this. A simple daily ritual, warm cup in your hands, calm moment to yourself, knowing that you're doing something real for your body. Not hype, not marketing, just a small, intelligent habit that compounds over time. That's how real change happens, not through extremes, but through simple actions repeated daily. And sometimes the smallest changes create the biggest shifts. So the next time you make green tea, don't just drink it, upgrade it, because your body is always responding. The only question is, are you giving it the right signals?